Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide threads page on your Instagram profile. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you up to date about our channel. So, let's go! First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. And then click on your profile. You can see there's a threads page on my Instagram bio, on my profile. So whenever anyone visit my account, my profile, they can see my threads page. Now, click on edit profile. There's a show threads page. The toggle is active. Now you have to turn this off like this. Back. Refresh the page and now you can see there's no more threads page on my Instagram bio. So no one can see, no one can know my threads account on my Instagram. Okay everyone, so that's it, how to hide your threads page on Instagram profile. Thank you and see you!